Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and use a USB flash drive just like this on your Windows PC. So I'm going to plug this into the front of my computer, just in the USB slot. And then I'm going to copy and transfer over some files. So I have it plugged in right now. And usually when you plug it in, something will pop up on your screen. So this is what popped up. This is File Explorer, and my USB drive should pop up. And if I have anything in here, we should be able to see it right away. Now, if nothing pops up, we can go on down to what's called File Explorer right here. You can see it listed down the bottom. It's just this little file icon. You can right click on it and then go to File Explorer and just open this up. Now we have this opened up and we can zoom in on it. And we can see on the left side here all the different folders and different drives that we have on our PC. So what we want to do is scroll on through here until we get to this PC and just open this up. And you want to locate the drive that you just plugged in. Now you could go by the amount of storage right here. So I have 57 gigabytes, and this is what says it says the same thing on my flash drive, 58. So that's pretty similar. Now, another thing you could do is just simply unplug this and then plug it back in. So I'm going to unplug it and then plug it back in. Then I'll know exactly which one uh, I just plugged in. So it should pop up too. And I know it's the F drive right here. So we can go into here now and we can copy and drag photos or videos or anything into here. So if we want to get another File Explorer opened up, we can just go back down here, right click on it and go to File Explorer. And then we can have two of them opened up at the same time. And this can make it a lot easier to transfer over like videos or something like this. So I have a photos folder right here. I'm just going to open this up and I get some pictures and stuff in here. Now what I want to do is copy this stuff. I can just drag and copy, or if I just hold down, I think it's Control, hold down Control and just click, and you can copy whatever ones you select, and then you can just move them on over here. Otherwise, I think there is an option to select all. If we hit these three little dots, go to select all, and you will select everything in here. So I'm going to go ahead and just send all these files over to here now. Just copy and drag them over here. And now it's going to transfer over to my USB drive. And you can see everything is still on my other folder right here. I could delete this all if I want to. There's an option. There's a trash can right here. I can send this to the trash, the recycling bin, which is right here. And when you send things to the recycling bin, they're not permanently deleted unless you go to the right click and then go to empty recycling bin. So you can still go into here and you can see all your different files and stuff. I have a lot of videos that I recorded that I still need to delete in here. So you can just come in there. Now in your flash drive, if you go to the bottom here, you can see it's listed. If I go to this little icon right here, I can make it so I can see the thumbnail. So I can close this down now. And I pretty much copied everything over to my USB drive. So if I want to do that vice versa, I can just copy everything right here, press right click, and then go to copy. If I go over to cut, this is going to delete them off my USB drive. And then when I paste them somewhere else, they're going to be pasted to that location. So if you want to copy it and leave a copy on your USB drive, just hit copy and then find a location somewhere in here, maybe like photo, pictures or something like that, and then we can right click into here and then go to paste. And then we can paste these in here as well. So a couple different ways that you can do that. Now, if we go over to this PC and we want to remove our drive, we can right click on it now. And there should be an option that says eject. Now, you don't necessarily have to do this, but if you want to prevent your drive from being damaged or losing data or something like on it, it's probably best to do this. And that very, very rarely happens. So if you just go to eject, however, there probably shouldn't be an issue. Now you can see it's removed. And then you can take out your USB drive from your computer and you can transfer this to a different location. So a lot of times these USB drives can be used on the back of your TV if you want to view your images on your TV. Now, the only bad thing is you might not have the correct format. You will have to format this probably to EXFAT if nothing shows up. Just make sure you have the correct format. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. and subscribe my channel down below.